The aim of the BinomLabs AI platform is to replace verification and intermediate in vitro experiments by predicting experimental data. The use of our software by laboratories allows reduce the number of in vitro experiments from 10 to 4 by obtaining a forecast of experimental data. BinomLabs is building an AI-driven platform at the intersection of machine learning, structural biology, and quantum-level physical modeling, and we've already demonstrated up to 93% correlation between our computational predictions and real lab results. Our platform targets the biggest pharma pain point: high variance, high cost in vitro, and in vivo iteration. FarmStar's spring focus is digital innovation that improves pharma operations and outcomes, especially early discovery and translational bottlenecks, exactly our lane. FarmStars also teaches how to sell into pharma through pharma and mentoring, then puts startups in front of pharma members to pitch. For BinomLabs, it's the most direct accelerator from validated science to pharma partnerships. FarmStar's spring theme is specifically focused on helping pharma speed drug development and reduce costs across the value chain, including discovery and translational science, target validation, and lead optimization. That is exactly where BinomLabs fits. We improve operational productivity early, where iteration is expensive, and better decisions translate into better downstream outcomes. In short, BinomLabs has the technical proof point and the cost-saving value proposition. FarmStars is the fastest path to convert that into pharma-ready positioning, the right decision-maker access, and partnership momentum.